Game won't open due to the DirectX 9 DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll help you bypass this roadblock instantly using my diagnostic data. This DLL file is a legacy DirectX 9 helper library. It contains essential mathematical and graphical routines for 3D games, including matrix calculations and texture management required by games released between 2006 and 2008. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. This problem is usually rooted in a missing graphics or compute runtime dependency. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime to restore the legacy DirectX architecture. Then update your graphics drivers to ensure all hardware-related files for the DirectX 9, Update 30 DLL are stable. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the DirectX 9 file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Protect your workstation by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for the DirectX 9, Update 30 DLL, as most free repositories prioritize ad revenue over file safety, often leading to the installation of obsolete or harmful software. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. One approach to reviewing the DirectX 9 references is through a diagnostic scan. Additional information is available at the link below. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and DirectX End-User Runtime error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.